Okay, so over at the tongue here, what you want to do is you just want to take the chock. Once you got it hooked up to the tractor with your pin, drop the pin in, just raise up your chock. Just lock it in like that, and that way you're ready for transport. Over here we have a mechanical lock for our tongue, and so what will happen is when you're in the field and you're ready to wrap, what I suggest is just grab this pin, slide this unit in, and lock it. And so it manually locks this tongue, so you're not relying on the cylinder. So if you have a hose break, the strain is on the actual mechanical lock. And in transport mode, you want to do the same thing. You rotate the tongue in underneath the lift arm, and then again you lock it. And very important for safety reasons, if you're relying on hydraulics to keep the tongue in a certain position, if you have a hose break or anything, that could be an issue. So, and then we do have a sensor here, and this is the one we refer to as our anti-crash sensor. So if your tongue is, or if your lift arm is down and you're starting to swing in the tongue towards the lift arm, it'll we have an angle sensor on the back side there. It'll detect that and lock out the system. We do have extra position here for wrap. It'll hold 4 extra rolls on this machine. You just lay them out here before you leave the farm. Again, any questions, contact Tubeline at the office or go on the website at www.tubeline.ca.